Dead soil can feel like a lost cause. You dig, plant, water, and wait, only to be met with lifeless dirt that refuses to support growth. But what if the solution didn't involve backbreaking labor or expensive products? What if all you needed was a simple, overlooked feed store item and a little patience? That's exactly what alfalfa pellets offer. A lazy, low-effort way to breathe life back into your garden soil. This isn't just about sprinkling something green and hoping for the best. This is about harnessing the biological power of nature in one of the easiest, most effective ways possible. Alfalfa pellets. A soil superfood disguised as livestock feed. Alfalfa pellets are nothing fancy, just compressed alfalfa hay commonly used as animal feed. But beneath that farm store exterior is a nutrient-dense, microbe-activating powerhouse. Alfalfa, a deep-rooted legume, pulls minerals from deep in the earth, concentrates them in its leaves, and delivers nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and a plant growth stimulant called triacontanol. When used in your garden, these pellets act like a slow-release soil amendment and mulch in one. What makes alfalfa unique is how it wakes up dead soil by supporting microbial life. Instead of applying synthetic fertilizers that bypass soil biology, alfalfa pellets feed the system. They become the first domino in a chain reaction that ends in healthy, living earth. For gardeners tired of sterile dirt and shallow roots, this is a game changer. How alfalfa pellets rebuild dead soil from the ground up. When hydrated and applied as mulch, alfalfa pellets begin to soften and break apart. This starts a microbial feast. Soil bacteria and fungi rush to the site to break down the fresh organic matter. Their activity not only releases nutrients but also improves soil texture, boosts organic matter, and sets the foundation for a thriving underground ecosystem. These microbes break apart compacted particles, help aerate the soil, and create a structure that can finally hold water again. The nitrogen in alfalfa fuels green growth, but more importantly, it energizes microbial colonies. That's essential for rebuilding soil life. If your soil is hard, gray, and water-repelling, it's likely because the microbial network has collapsed. Alfalfa pellets are like CPR for that dead biology. In just a couple of weeks, the surface starts to change. It smells better, looks darker, and becomes home to organisms you haven't seen in a long time. Worms, beetles, mycelium threads. You're no longer working the soil, you're building life in it. How mulching with alfalfa differs from traditional mulch. Most mulches, wood chips, straw, leaves, are slow to break down. While they're great for moisture retention and weed suppression, they don't offer a quick injection of nutrients or microbial stimulation. Alfalfa pellets are different. They decompose faster, they heat up slightly as they break down, and they bring nutrients along with their mulch-like coverage. This makes them ideal for gardeners looking to correct a problem spot fast. To use alfalfa pellets as mulch, scatter them in a thin layer around your plants, making sure to keep them a few inches away from stems or trunks. Once you water them, the pellets swell, soften, and begin to fall apart. That's when the transformation starts. They work well alone, but layering them under traditional mulch like straw or wood chips can extend their effect while locking in moisture even longer. Building the perfect microbial storm, huh? Alfalfa is more than just a nutrient source, it's really a microbial ignition switch. Its amino acids and carbohydrates, they trigger rapid bacterial reproduction. This microbial bloom is exactly what earthworms are drawn to. They don't come for the pellets directly. Honestly, they come for the party that starts once the microbes arrive. Earthworms begin tunneling through the freshly revived zones, pulling in more oxygen and mixing the soil gently from below. Once worms enter the system, the soil becomes, well, self-improving. Their castings are rich in nutrients and beneficial microbes. They help blend the decomposed alfalfa into the deeper layers and distribute it across your garden. Over time, the surface becomes darker, looser, and more sponge-like. You'll find that even areas that once pooled water or cracked in the sun start holding moisture evenly, allowing roots to stretch deep and strong. A lazy gardener's system that builds itself. Now that's my kind of gardening. You don't need to till, dig, or double dig. You don't need to compost for a year or manage a complicated rotation system. You just need to hydrate a few handfuls of alfalfa pellets, scatter them where your soil needs a boost, and let nature take it from there. Over time, you can repeat this process every month or so to build up organic matter and keep microbial activity consistent. So, some gardeners soak the pellets in a bucket of water for a few hours before application, just to accelerate the process a bit. Others, well, they might layer them under mulch or mix them with compost to create a really rich top dressing. However you use them, the key is consistency. With regular applications, even the most neglected soil can come back to life. You'll start seeing real results in weeks, not years. Within, say, 2 to 3 weeks of your first application, you'll begin to notice changes. Plants respond with brighter leaves and stronger growth. Water no longer runs off the surface, but instead sinks in deeply. When you dig into the soil, you'll notice better texture, worm activity, and that sweet, earthy smell that only living soil has. And those dead patches that once resisted life, they begin to bounce back with some unexpected vigor. This transformation isn't just temporary. As long as you keep feeding the soil, not just the plants, the improvements really do compound over time. You end up creating an ecosystem that supports itself, making your future gardening efforts easier, less dependent on inputs, and honestly, more productive year after year. So, just a few final thoughts, from dead to thriving and honestly almost effortlessly. If you've been battling lifeless garden beds and compacted soil that just won't produce, it's probably time to try something different. Something simpler. Alfalfa pellets offer a no-fuss, high-reward method to wake up dead soil and build real, lasting fertility. With just a few applications and minimal effort, you can turn dry, stubborn dirt into a thriving, living foundation for your plants. So go ahead, toss those pellets on your struggling beds, give them a good soak and let nature do the rest. Your soil will thank you with life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Hydrohaven, share it with your fellow gardeners, and let us know how your alfalfa mulch experiment goes. Here at Hydrohaven, we believe lazy gardening can still grow incredible results, if you do it the smart way.